Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify them using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Locate the door panel with the face frame and place it face down on your work surface. Check the hinges to assure they're properly attached. Apply a thin layer of wood glue to all joint grooves on the back of the frame. Insert the side panels into the joint grooves of the frame with the notched corner for the toe kick facing downward and towards the bottom. Next, insert the notched corners of the bottom panel into the joint grooves of the frame and side panels. Gently tap the panels with your rubber mallet to eliminate any gaps and ensure a tight fit. Make sure the panels are properly seated and aligned before securing them to the face frame with your spot nail gun. Note: we recommend always wearing safety glasses when using nail guns or other pneumatic tools. Locate the back panel. With the framed side facing up and the pre-drilled holes towards the bottom of the cabinet, slide the back panel into the joint grooves of the side panels. Make sure it's properly seated and aligned before securing it to the side panels with your narrow crown gun. Use your drill to install the provided screws into the pre-drilled holes securing the back panel to the bottom panel. Set your cabinet box on its back and locate your toe kick. Set the toe kick in place, making sure it's properly aligned before securing it with your Senko fastener. Set your cabinet box upright and locate your L-shaped corner brackets. Drill all L-shaped brackets to the top corners of the cabinet box using the screws provided. Locate your undermount drawer glides and glide supports. Install the glide supports into the pre-drilled holes on the inside of the back panel with your drill and screws. Then, insert the undermount glides onto the glide supports and secure them to the face frame with your drill and screws. Set the cabinet box aside while you assemble the drawer. Locate all drawer panels. Place the drawer front face down on your work surface. Install the drawer sides by aligning the dovetail joints and using your rubber mallet to tap them in place, assuring they're firmly connected. Slide the drawer bottom panel into the grooves of the sides and gently tap with your rubber mallet to eliminate any gaps. Insert the drawer back panel by aligning the dovetail joints and assuring the bottom panel is properly seated in the joint grooves. Gently tap with your rubber mallet to ensure a tight fit. Make sure all drawer panels are properly aligned before tacking them together with your nail gun on all four corners. Turn your drawer box over so the bottom is facing upward. Attach the soft close triggers to the front of the drawer box with your drill and screws. Extend the glides on the cabinet box and place your drawer box on top. Push the drawer back until it clicks into place. Insert your shelf pins to the desired height and angle the shelf panel into place. Apply rubber bumpers to the inside corners of the drawer's face panel and door. Congratulations on completing your assembly.